Hey, good morning. We are team number 34 in the mobile app development course. And right now we're going to do an active discussion about the ethical impact that our project is having so far. So let's start by talking a little bit about the ethical implications that each team member has experienced so far in their work. So let's start maybe with Juan Diego.
All right. I consider three critical points in this conversation would be like the use of ChatGPT, for example. I know that some of us, maybe all of us, use ChatGPT, for example, for or a couple of deliveries for this sprint. So yeah, I want to put this team topic into the conversation first.
Well, yeah, but I think that we all agree that we use ChatGPT, but not for like cheating or something like that, but more to refine the ideas we came up with and, and like to structure more easily the wiki of the project.
Especially because our first language is not English, so it helped us to develop better grammar
Okay.
and better cohesion in that language. So it is useful for that.
Yeah, in my case, for example, I used ChatGPT at the beginning of the course in order to think about many ideas. I mean,
For the brainstorming.
yeah, for brainstorming, for the divergent step where we had to propose many ideas, I just asked ChatGPT to give me some of them, but I did not take them literally. I changed some things. I added some additional information, something that I considered creative that I hadn't seen before, and that was what I proposed.
So in other
All right.
words, you use the correct use of ChatGPT.
The correct use. Okay.
Yeah.
What about you, Daniel and Jose?
Okay, so in addition, I would say that when creating personas and user stories,
Mhm.
I ensure diverse representation that I consider it is really important. And in addressing business questions, I prioritize user privacy and data security. Yeah, while using artificial intelligence tools for efficiency, I maintain human oversight, like to mitigate biases. I've respectfully drawn inspiration from existing works while ensuring our innovations are original. Because there is something important that I want to focus on, and is that our goal is to empower students financially, and it is not like exploiting their data.
Mhm.
So we have to focus on that.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's right.
Jose, we didn't hear you.
Oh, I think we cannot hear you very well. Okay.
So, sorry. It's good to tell that we use ChatGPT in a way that is inside the policies of the university's regimen. So we use it for, I'm not sure, like generating some ideas that we actually took just like to brainstorm, but not actually like taking them and just using the data it gave us. And also, I'm not sure, like correcting our writing styles and others. Also, it's good to tell around the ethics, um, around the ethical working environment that, well, in our team, all voices were heard. And also the work distribution was fair, and it was during the sprint there was a transparency around the teammates.
All right, thank you. Yes, and now talking about that, it's important to say that our work, our product that we're imagining right now, has some direct social impact because we are treating with people's data, people's personal data, financial data about their purchases, their location. So we are aware of that. We are aware that we have people's data in our hands, and we compromise on using it just for giving them recommendations and not for for our own profit.
As well as that, our objective with this product is to improve how people spend their money. So it has some kind of social impact in that way that we're trying to better their spending behavior. So we have an impact on their behavior in society, or at least one of our purposes is to be in a positive way.
I think, and for finishing the video, is that all the data that we have and that we are going to manage, first is something very, very restrictive in the sense that we have to be really, really conscious about the importance and the I don't know how to say it. Like,
Yeah, like we are really aware that the
very
data,
word.
we are using the data to improve user experience
Mhm.
and not for our own profit.
Mhm.
Yeah, and
that's it.
That's it.
our product may have a good ethical impact or bad ethical impact, but that depends on the work that we will do from now on. So we really compromise on being as ethical as possible.
Yeah, it is really important to protect the user step by step. Yeah, I totally agree.
Okay, thank you
Yeah.
very much, guys, for this conversation.
Okay, thank you.